In the Forest by Shira Evans. What's in the forest? Many things in the forest are living. Tall trees started out as small seeds, growing and changing slowly over many years. The animals here are living too. They also grow and change. The ferns are living. So are the animals. Living things need food, water, and sun to grow. What do they need to grow? Food, water, and sun. Some things in the forest are non-living, like these rocks. They're not alive. The air isn't alive. The water isn't alive either. Non-living things don't eat. They don't drink. They don't need air. Look at the picture. Which things are living and non-living? Let's look at the living things. I see a butterfly, a bird, and a deer. What is not living? The water and the air that's all around them. What about the grass and the trees? Are those living or non-living? If you said living, that's correct. They grow and change. They need sun, food, and water to grow. In the spring, the tree leaves are small. They're so small that they don't block the sunlight. The light pours on the forest floor. The sunlight helps flowers start to grow. The forest has new plants in the spring. Many animals are born in the spring. Their fur blends in with the forest floor to help them stay safe. In the spring, a deer is born. Its fur is brown. Its color helps it hide. Other babies are brown too. The forest becomes green and full during the summer days. The leaves block the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. Fruits, berries, and nuts begin to grow in the summer. They will soon be ready to eat. In the summer, animals eat the ripe fruit and berries that grow throughout the forest. The chatter of busy animals fill the air. The forest is warm in the summer. More fruits grow. There is a lot of food to eat. In the fall, the days begin to shorten and get chillier. There is less sunlight, and the leaves start to lose their green color. Soon the leaves will drop. In the fall, leaves cover the forest floor. Chipmunks and squirrels gather acorns in the fall. They hide the nuts under leaves or nest in the trees. Animals work hard in the fall. They save the nuts to eat later. Winter days are short, and the sun is low in the sky. The animals slow down, and the forest looks empty. The forest is quiet in the winter. It's cold and still. Many animals hibernate in the winter. They slow down their heartbeats and sleep for a long time. In the winter, some animals stay warm in their dens. Others sleep in caves. Your turn. Point to each picture. Say what it shows. Say what season it shows. Spring. Flowers are growing. Summer. Everything's nice and green. Fall. The leaves are changing color to oranges and yellows and reds. And winter. No more leaves on trees and everything's covered in ice and snow. A beaver hauls a heavy log into the water. Each log helps it build a bigger and bigger wall. The wall makes a dam. Beavers build dams to keep their homes safe. A dam also stops the river water from flowing. When the water doesn't flow, it forms a pond. The water level rises. When the water level rises, more plants can grow. The beaver's dam helps these new plants. A cardinal lands on a bush in the forest. The bush has bright red berries. The berries are food for the bird. Soon the bird flies away. It will land in a new part of the forest. As the cardinal flies, it drops the seeds from the berries throughout the forest. The seeds scatter on the forest floor. What do you think happens to those seeds? Yeah, new bushes grow where the cardinal drops the seeds. The bird helps the forest grow. Plants help animals in the forest too. Some trees hang low over streams and ponds. They shade the water from the hot sun. The fish in the stream need cool water, but the sun is hot. The trees shade the water. That helps keep the water stay cool. Fungi are not plants or animals, but they can help the forest too. Some fungi grow on trees and feed on the things that have died. The fungi turn dead leaves and wood into soil. Plants use the new soil to grow. The fungi help the forest. Your turn. Animals and plants help the forest. Say how you would help too. So we have somebody picking up trash so we don't have pollution, going on walks and enjoying the fresh air, and planting new trees. Life in the forest. Animals in the forest live in many places. Some animals make homes up high. Others live down low. A bird lives in a nest high in a tree. A fox builds a den low on the ground. Although there are different types of plants and animals in the forest, they need one another to grow. Animals and plants need different things, but they all live together in the forest. Your turn. Some of the forests in this book are deciduous forests. That means they are in a place with both warm and cool weather, and the trees change throughout each season. Here's what the forests are found around the world. Find where you live. Are there deciduous forests near you? So a lot of them are in Central and East America, or part of our North America. I live somewhere around here, so there's lots of forests near me. There's some in Europe and on the east side of Asia.